Welcome to a new video here on my channel. So as you guys can see, I've actually cut a little bit more of my hair. I talked about it in the vlog. I cut off like maybe this much more, just because I didn't want it to like lay on my shoulders as it did when I cut it in the video. But yeah. So if you think it is shorter, it's because it is. But I really like it still, and I'm so happy that you guys like it as well. So in this video, I have created this makeup look. It looks very like grungy. I didn't think about making it grungy, but yeah. But it is a 100% cruelty-free and vegan makeup tutorial. And I'm using some of my favorite vegan makeup products that I know are vegan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I already have my foundation done, and that is because I am doing a first impression and wear test on the new Star System liner. I was gonna say no, the Star System foundation from Neve Cosmetics. I have it on today and I'm gonna try it out, so I already have that done. So we will right away go in with concealer, and today I'm gonna use the all-nighter waterproof full coverage concealer in the shade Fair Warm from Urban Decay. I have tried this one in another shade, I think at least, and I thought it was a little bit dry, but I still want to make it work because I don't know, I just want it to work. So I'm going to use it underneath my eyes and the highest points of my face. And I'm gonna blend it out with a LH Cosmetics sponge. Before I powder, I will go in with the contour stick in Fawn from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a cream contour. And I will cream contour. And I will blend it out with the new Neve Cosmetics brushes, or brush, I should say. Then for my favorite powder in the entire world, the Neve Cosmetics Velvet Matte Powder that I hit pan on, but I just got a new one, so I am very happy about it. And once again, I'm gonna use the new brushes from Neve Cosmetics. And then for bronzer and blush, I will use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Rosewood for bronzer. And then for blush, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love. I'm gonna go in with the orange shade called Miami with this new Real Techniques blush brush. I'm kind of scared. I don't really know how to use it. Like this? Should I pat it? So confused. And then for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I really have to give Anastasia Beverly Hills like a gold star for this, because they are like one of the only brands that aren't 100% vegan that have vegan stamps on which products that are vegan, which I found so helpful. Like with all of these they say so, and on this one, like why doesn't all brands do that? I don't want to Google to see if something is vegan, like please just tell me. So thank you so much for that, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's see, I think I will go in with a little bit of Lyra and Luna. First go in with Lyra, don't know how to pronounce it. Ooh, that is cute. Maybe I should just go for this. Yeah, I will just go with this shade. And I will take it underneath my brow and also a little bit above, right here. I will use it on my cupid's bow, my chin, and nose. For brows, as you guys know, I usually have orange brows, but for today I just wanted to try out the new Neve Cosmetics brow gels. I think that I will go in with the darkest shade, and this is called Lisboa Ebony. Let's see how we should use this. Oh, okay, it's brow gel. I thought it was like a gel to like, no, okay. We have to rethink. I thought it was a pomade of some sort, but it wasn't. Okay, what should we do then? 1 second, I need help. I had to think over, but now I will go in with the Devine brow pencil from Nabla in Uranus. From what I remember, I didn't really love this because it is quite dry, but I just know that it is vegan, so I just took it because, yeah. I'm not happy with my brows at all. But but let's just go in with the Neve Cosmetics brow gel in Ebony. Maybe that can fix it somehow. And now for eyeshadow, I will go in with the Pocket Candy eyeshadow palette from Lime Crime. And this is in the shade Pink Lemonade. I might have used this in a tutorial before, I'm not really sure, but I just really love them. I think they are so cute. So I will start off by using this shade called Pink Jelly. And also, obviously, all of my brushes are also cruelty-free and vegan. I don't have any brushes that aren't. So I will use it in the inner corner, in my crease, and outer corner. By the way, I really like these brow gels. They were like super thick, if that makes any sense, and sounds good. I'm not really sure, but I really like how it looks. Then I will go in with this darker shade called Baby Cake and use it just to deepen the eye look. So I will use it mostly like in the outer corner and crease. And then the middle shade called Lemonade on the middle of my eye and also in the inner corner. Whoops, I wasn't recording. I've already used this lip liner actually in my waterline on this side. I will do it now on this. It's from Neve Cosmetics and it's the shade called Idol. And now for eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper. I'm gonna do my winged liner and then I'm gonna do some detailing. Because I love detailing. Oh my god, Gollum, who's there? Me. And then for some lashes, this is my favorite vegan cruelty-free lash brand called Rouge and Rogue. I use them every day in every video. I love them. These are the style Miss Furry. And now some mascara from NudeStix, and this is the, excuse me neighbors, cannot. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is the Lash Lengthening Mascara. Now it's time for lipstick. No. 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 Should I just go with this one or this? No. Forever to the end of time. No. Oh my god, that is a nice pink, but no. Should I go for this? Why is it so hard to choose lipstick? Old Rose. No. 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 Okay, this one is really nice. Dark Room. Oh, this didn't smell that good. Or shouldn't I? No, I'm not feeling it. Okay, so I cannot make up my mind as usual, but I will try out the Plushies lipstick from Lime Crime in Smokey because I thought it looked cool, but I don't really know if I want like a dark lip today. But as I said, let's just try it because I cannot make up my mind. The only thing that I don't really love about these Plushies lipstick is that they are very lightweight, so they are not full coverage. So I think I will have to go in with it a few times. So I guess this is the finished look. I actually really like the lipstick. It looks very, very grungy right now, which I like. It's not a gray shade, it's not a brown shade, it's not a black shade, it's something there in between. I'm not really sure, but it looks really cool, so I'm gonna stick with it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and also comment down below what you would like to see next. Maybe you want me to do more hair videos, maybe you want me to do more lookbooks. It is finally starting to become a little bit warmer here in Sweden. The snow is almost gone. I heard that it should be back in a few days, but I hope that is a rumor. Then I can hopefully begin to create lookbooks outside. But if you want me to do like lookbooks maybe in here with my new backdrops, by the way, the new backdrop, like or not, it's kind of my skin tone, so I don't know why I chose it, but yeah. So before you leave, be sure to comment down below what you would like to see next. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!